Is your child in need of a chiropractor that can really make a difference? Are you having trouble finding the right professional? You're not alone, but you're in luck. There are incredible advancements in the world of pediatric care. Today we're catching up with a local chiropractic pediatric expert who will help you find the best professional to work with you and your child.
I'm often asked how a parent looking to heal their child's pain goes about finding the right chiropractor specialized in pediatric care. The problem is that when a parent is looking to relieve their child's pain, they may not be aware of chiropractic treatments that offer an alternative to the traditional practice of waiting until your child is sick and then giving them drugs or even surgery. The alternative is to give your children the best functioning body possible. Now, finding the right chiropractor specialized in pediatric care can feel overwhelming. The good news is that it doesn't have to be difficult if you know what questions to ask. For example, I can recall one of my young patients that was suffering with severely high fevers and chronic ear infections. He was almost 3 years old and couldn't even breathe through his nose because of all his congestion. All his parents knew to do was to treat him with antibiotics multiple times. After 4 months of not responding to the traditional route of antibiotics, I was able to locate a spinal misalignment in his upper neck that was interfering with his body's ability to clear his infection. Once we were able to correct his spinal interference, his infection cleared. His scheduled surgery was canceled. What a relief to this boy and to his parents. I'd like to give a few tips to help you find a great chiropractor that is trained in pediatric care when looking to relieve your child's pain or prevent it from taking place in the first place. Tip number 1, do they have a great reputation? A reputation for excellence. You should check for referrals from your friends and family and check out their previous reviews online. You should read at least 6 to 10 reviews online to get really comfortable with your decision. Tip number 2, start early with your children. Immediately after birth is recommended, as the birth process itself can be quite traumatic to your baby's spine. There are other milestones to watch for as well, so your baby's growth can be guided properly. Some of these milestones include when they hold up their head for the very first time, when they are able to sit on their own, when they are first starting to crawl, when they are able to stand on their own 2 feet, and of course that very special moment when they take their very first step. Tip number 3, what is their expertise? You want to make sure that you are choosing a professional that has the training and the education required to treat children. Are they up on the latest techniques and technologies as they relate to children? You want to make sure you choose a professional who believes that there is always room for improvement and is always ready to learn more. Our expertise is empowering people and families in our community to get healthy and stay healthy for a lifetime so they can live and achieve their best life possible. Many of the hard-to-correct problems we see in adults are long-standing problems that began and remained undetected in childhood. For those that want to learn more, they can simply go to www.koreenergy.ca or they can call us at 905-369-5433. We are happy to help because patients are the key to our success and the children are the keys to our future.
There you go. Your search doesn't have to be stressful. As a matter of fact, the right chiropractor will make it easy. If you're interested in learning more about what today's expert has to say, just call the number on your screen. Thank you for joining us.